Thank you for joining us for our math lesson today. Can everyone say hello? Hello. What should we do first?
Think about heart center.
Our meditation, we're going to think about heart center. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close our eyes. Good job. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our math lesson. In this lesson, we'll be reviewing how we tell time. So we'll be taking a look at a clock, all the numbers on the clock, our different hands on the clock, and what those hands tell us. So first we're going to do some counting to review. So we're going to count by ones all the way to 60. Everyone's going to count a different number. Okay? So Pak-Boon, you're going to start with 1. Pot, Nadia. We're going to go all the way around. And we're going to keep going. It should be pretty easy for us. Yep. Should be easy for us, okay? So here we go, friends. Pak-Boon is going to start us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
Wait, what's after 10? 11.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50,
40. 41.
46, 43, 44, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51,
What? 60. Good. We're going to stop. Great job, friends. Very nice. Very nice work. Now we're going to go this way. We're going to go this way. You're going to be 1. Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
21.
22,
Good.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,
Very nice.
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43,
Good.
44, 45, 46,
Very nice.
47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54,
Good.
55,
Good.
56, 57, 58, 59, 4, 6,
60. Okay, great job, friends. Very nice. Very nice. No, we're just going to go to 60. We're just going to go to 60 today. Okay, let's count by 5s next. We're going to count by 5s, okay? Do you want to clap?
No.
No. Okay, we'll just count by 5s. So we'll just count by 5s. Let's count everybody together. Ready?
5,
Here we go.
5,
5.
10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60,
Stop.
75.
Stop. We're just going to stop at 60 today. Great job, friends. Let's try it one more time, then we'll give everybody their own numbers.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60, 65, 60,
Stop.
65.
Stop. We're stopping on 60 today. Okay, let's go around. Everybody's going to have their own number.
5, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 55, 60,
60, good. And we're going to stop.
and then 5,
And we're going to start again with 5.
10, 15,
20.
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 55, 60.
Stop. We're going to stop. Good, we're going to stop at 60. We're going to start again at 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, down, 25, 26, 30,
30.
45, 50, 55,
60.
60,
Good, and we're going to stop.
5,
We're going to stop. Where do we start?
5,
5.
10, 15,
2.
12,
20.
25,
Good.
35, 40, 45, 50,
50.
55, 60,
And we stop. And we stop. Okay, let's start.
5,
5, 10.
20, 25,
We skipped a number. What did you say? 10.
50,
15.
20, 25, 40, 30, 35,
40.
45, 50, 55, 60.
60. Okay, great job, friends. We're going to stop right there. Okay. Next, we're going to count by 15s. We're going to count by 15. And we're only going to go up to 60. So let's practice together. We'll clap first. What's our first number if we're counting by 15? 15, 30, 45, 60. Stop. That was easy, right? Only 4 numbers. Only 4 numbers. Let's do it again. 15, 30, 45, 60. Stop. Good. One more time. 15, 30, 45, 60. Stop. Okay, great job, friends. Okay, friends, why do you think we were counting to 60 today? That was kind of weird, right? You don't know? We counted by ones. We counted by 5s.
6 times.
And what else did we count by?
What about?
What? 15. Yeah, we counted by 15. And why do you think we stopped at 60 every time? A little bit different. A little bit different than divided by. A little bit different than plus. A little bit different. Why do you think we stopped? Take a look, my friends, over on our wall. Over on our wall. What's on our wall?
Minutes.
Minutes are on that wall. What do we call that big thing?
Clock.
Good, that big circle. It's a clock. It's a clock. Clock. Today we're going to talk about a clock. And we've practiced talking about our clock before. But today we're going to talk about a clock. What's on the outside of the clock here?
Circle.
There's a circle.
Number.
And there's numbers.
5, 10, 15,
Yeah, all those numbers.
25, 30, 35.
Yeah, good. All those numbers around go by 5. What numbers are on our clock?
12.
Is it 12 here?
No, on top.
On the top.
And it's 30.
Okay, on the top we have 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop.
Okay, we've got our 12.
6 is 30.
That's right. And when we think about counting our minutes, we count each one by 5. So what goes here, Lacko?
15.
15,
30.
30.
1.
1?
45.
45.
50.
And 60. Or what other number do we use? Good, friends. We use 0. We use 0. So that is how our clock is set up. And then we have some things in the middle of the clock. Nadia's got to watch. We've got some things in the middle of this clock. What are they called? Good job, friend. Good memory. These are called hands. Hands. Yeah. Yeah, we have a long hand
And then short.
and a short hand.
Short hand is hour and long hand is minute.
Good. That was my next question, friends. Our shorthand. What does our shorthand on the clock tell us?
Hour.
Hours. Is this our hour hand?
No.
No? What is this our hour hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We've got our hour hand. Hour hand.
And minute hand.
It's short.
Minute.
And our minute hand. Is our minute hand short or long?
Long.
It's long. Am I?
You.
Close. The U is next. Minute.
H-A-N-D.
Good. Thank you. H-A-N-D. And our minute hand is longer. It's longer. Yeah. So we need both of these 2 hands to look at the clock and tell our time. So we look at our hour hand first, the short one, to give us our hour with these numbers here.
1, 2.
Then we look at our longer hand, our minute hand, to tell us our minutes, which we count each one of these numbers by 5. So when we see our minute hand at the 3, we think 5, 10, 15. Or if we have our minute hand on the 6, we still count by 5s, and we're going to think 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So by 6, we know when our minute hand is at the 6 that it's 30. And that's how we count our minutes all the way around our clock. Okay, we're going to sing a little song about our clock. And we might have seen it last year, so our students might know it, and we're going to try to work on some of the words a little bit today. So our first part of our song, we'll sing it together and practice a few times. So we're going to practice our song together. The hands on the clock always show the time, show the time, show the time. The hands on the clock always show the time, so please show me the time. Can we practice?
Yes.
The hands on the clock.
The hands on the clock.
Good. The hands on the clock.
The hands on the clock.
Always show the time.
Always show the time.
Always show the time.
Always show the time.
Good job. So please show me the time.
So please show me the time.
So please show me
So please show me
the time.
the time.
Good job. Let's try to sing the first part together. Ready?
Ready?
Good. Everybody ready? The hands on the clock always show the time, show the time, show the time. The hands on the clock always show the time, so please show me the time. Good, let's do it again. The hands on the clock always show the time, show the time, show the time. The hands on the clock always show the time, so please show me the time. Good. Next we're going to sing about the hour hand. The hour hand. Okay, we're going to talk about the hour hand next. Does the short hand show the hour or the minute? Hour. Hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour. So that's the next part of our song. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, shows the hour, shows the hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, so please show me the time. Good. The short hand on the clock.
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 Good. Always shows the hour.
Always shows the hour.
Always shows the hour.
Always shows the hour.
Good. So please show me
So please show me
the time.
the time.
Good. The short hand on the clock
The short hand on the clock.
always shows the hour.
Always shows the hour.
So please show me
So please show me time.
the time.
The time.
The time. Good. Let's try to sing it. Ready? Here we go. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, shows the hour, shows the hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, so please show me the time. Good, let's do it again. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, shows the hour, shows the hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour, so please show me the time. Good, okay, we did the short hand for the hour. What do we need to do next?
Long hand moving.
Yeah, next we're going to do the long hand for the minute. Now it's time to do the long hand for the minute. Okay? The long hand on the clock.
The on hand on the clock.
Good. The long hand on the clock
long hand on the clock
always shows the,
always show the
what does it show?
time. Minute.
Minute. Good, it shows the minute. The long hand on the clock
The long hand on the clock
always shows the minute.
always show the minute.
Good job. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute.
A long hand on the
Clock always shows the minute.
minute.
So please show me the time. The time, good. The long hand on the clock
The long hand on the clock
always shows the minute.
always show the minute.
So please show me
So please show to me the time.
the time.
The time.
The time, good. Let's sing it. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. Shows the minute. Shows the minute. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. So please show me the time. Great job, friends. Do you think we can sing all three together?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember what comes first?
No. Yeah.
The hands on the clock always show the time.
Always show the time.
The hands on the clock
The hand on the clock
always show the time.
always show the time.
Good. Then we're going to talk about the short hand on the clock
The short hand on the clock
always shows the hours.
always show the hour.
Good. The short hand on the clock
The short hand on the clock
always shows the hours.
always show the hour.
Great. And then last, we'll sing about the long hand on the clock
The long hand on the clock
always shows the
minute.
minutes.
Minute.
Minutes. Good. The long hand on the clock
The long hand on the clock
always shows the minutes.
always show the minute.
Always shows the minutes.
Always show the minute.
Very nice job, friends. We're going to sing it all the way through. If you get stuck, just jump to the next part and you can keep singing with us. Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
The hands on the clock always show the time. Show the time. Show the time. The hands on the clock always show the time. So please show me the time. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour. Shows the hour. Shows the hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour. So please show me the time. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. Shows the minute. Shows the minute. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. So please show me the time. Wonderful job, friends. Let's do it one more time all the way through. The hands on the clock always show the time. Show the time. Show the time. The hands on the clock always show the time. So please show me the time. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour. Shows the hour. Shows the hour. The short hand on the clock always shows the hour. So please show me the time. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. Shows the minute. Shows the minute. The long hand on the clock always shows the minute. So please show me the time. Wonderful job, friends. Great work. We're going to stand up and take a little stretch break before our next activities. So everybody stand up. Stand up nice and tall. Put your arms up high over your head. Stretch all your fingers out. Turn your hands forwards and backwards. Good job. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Come up halfway. Swing your monkey arms. Pretend they're very heavy. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall with your arms up high over your head. Stretch your fingers. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Come up halfway. Swing your arms like they're very heavy. So heavy. Good job, friends. Stand up nice and tall. Stand up nice and tall. Show me how you grow. We start small. Do we stay small?
No.
No, we're going to get bigger. So everybody gets small in a ball. Small. Everybody gets small. Get small. Can you get even smaller? Can you get even smaller? Grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. As big as you can. Good. Get small. Get as small as you can. Get as tiny as you can. Then grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more and grow. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Get as small as you can. As little as you can. You're going to grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more and grow. Wonderful job, friends. Let's do 3 big claps. 3 big jumps. Good. 3 big spins. 3. Woo. Take 3 big steps. Good. Take 3 little steps. Do 3 little jumps. 3 little claps. And 3 little spins. I'm going to spin my finger today. Great job, friends. Everybody take a seat. So today we're talking about time. Time. Show me time. Why do we point to our wrist when we're talking about time? A watch. Some of our friends are wearing watches. If you have a watch on today, hold your hand up high with your watch. If you have a watch on today, hold your hand up high. Good. Can you think of how we spell time? Time. I-M-E. Very nice. This is time. 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 Yeah. Time. What are some words that go together with time? When you hear that word time, does that make you think of any other words? Like watch? Good, that's a great one. Watch. A watch is part of time? What about that thing on our wall? A clock. Yeah, a watch is just a tiny little clock right on our arm. It's a clock. What are some other words that go with time? Minute. Good. A minute is part of time. A minute. Minute. Hour. Good. Close. You. Hour. R. Good. Great spelling, friends. Hour. We've got our minute. We've got our hour. Can you think of any other words that talk about time? Time. That's a good one.
Second.
What?
Second.
Seconds. Second. Second. Is a second fast or slow?
Fast.
It's pretty fast. Yeah. 1. Yeah, it's fast. It's pretty quick. What about 1 minute? Is that pretty fast?
No.
It's a little longer. It's a little longer. Good, friends. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Very good memory. What about an hour? Is an hour long or short?
Long.
An hour is long. Yeah, it's 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes, and it's a pretty long time. It's about as long as our lesson, so an hour is a long time. A minute is shorter. It's shorter. And a second is pretty fast. Pretty fast. So we're going to think about some of these words with time that we've got so far. And we're going to use our timer to find out how long 1 minute is. How many seconds are in a minute? I forgot. 60. 60 seconds are in 1 minute. So how fast is a second? How fast is a second? 1 second. How fast is that? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Good job, friends. 60. So that was kind of a long time. If we count out that minute by every single second, it can feel like a lot longer time. If we just think of 1 second, it's pretty fast. When we think about 1 minute, with every single second, it feels a lot longer than it is. If we think about every single minute in an hour, it's going to feel really, really long. So next, we are going to have our timer for 1 minute. We have 1 minute on our timer. And we're going to sit still at our desks for 1 minute. What does still mean?
What
does still mean?
Stop.
Still means you're not moving. Everything is stopped. So we're going to sit for 1 minute. Can we talk if we're still?
No.
No, because our mouth is not moving. Our body is not moving. Everything is still. So everybody put your hands on your desk. Put your hands on your desk. Put your hands on your desk. Everybody put your hands on your desk. And we're just going to be still, not moving, for 1 minute. Okay? Put your hands on your desk. And we're not going to move for 1 minute. Ready? 1 minute. We're not going to move. 1 minute. Let's see how long 1 minute is. You're doing great, friends. Nice and quiet. We're 15 seconds into that minute. 15 seconds. Wonderful job. We're nice and still. We're not moving. We're not talking. We've passed 30 seconds. We're more than halfway there. We're more than halfway there. We're at 15 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Almost finished. Okay, friends, did that seem like a long time? Yeah, it feels like a long time. If we count all those seconds, it feels like a really long, long time. So that is one way to think about seconds, minutes, and hours, okay? There are some other words, 3 words, that we can also use to talk about time as well. Because time is not only about our clocks and our watches, time is also talking about different days, days in the future that haven't happened yet, days in the past that already have happened, or even weeks, or last month, or last year. So one word that also describes time is this word. Can you read what this word is?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Yesterday. Good. Yesterday. And today.
Tomorrow.
Good. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Those words all talk about time as well. Those words are all part of talking about time. So yesterday already happened, today, and tomorrow. Good. So we're going to talk about that more in our next reviews of time and our days of the week. But we just want to get that in our minds that time is not just the seconds, minutes, and hours on our clocks or on our wall clocks of our watches. Time can also be talking about yesterday or last week or last year or 10 years ago. It could be talking about today or next month or tomorrow or even 20 years in the future when you're all grown up and when you're my age. Okay, for our next activity, we're going to build something. What do you think we're going to build?
Clock.
A clock. What are these? Numbers. Numbers. So we're going to build a clock together. Okay. Got some extra ones? Thanks, friends. Okay, we're going to build our clock together. So listen up for your numbers. If you have a number in between 4 and 7, raise your hand. You have a number in between 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Do you have a number in between 4 and 7? Okay, raise your hand. 4. 4 is cool. That's fine. 4 and 7. So we should have 4, 5, 6, and 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you have those numbers, stand up. Stand up. Come to the front of the room, get a piece of tape, and put your number on our clock. Get a piece of tape and put your number on our clock where it should go. Where should those numbers go? We've got a 6. Okay, a 7. Okay, we've got 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll put our 4 just a little bit higher. That's great. You don't have to move that one. Cool. Okay, friends, if you have a number that's higher than 8, a number that's higher than 8, raise your hand. 8 or higher. 8 or higher. Raise your hand. If you have a number that's 8 or higher, raise your hand. Okay, stand up. Come to the front with your number that's 8 or higher. Get some tape and put your numbers on the board. 8 or higher. Okay, looks good. 12. Jump, jump. You can do it. Oh, try again, try again. Get it up high there, get it up high. Very nice, good work. Okay. If you have a small number, a number smaller than 4, stand up, come get some tape, and put your number on our board. Smaller than 4. Very nice. 10 and 11. Okay. Get our 2. And our 1. Put our 1. Very nice. Okay. What numbers are missing? 10 and 11. We've got them here. Here they are. Like this? No? 10 here?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 here and 11 here. All right. Very nice job, friends. Great work. Does our clock look okay now? What are those called? Can you draw one for us? Oh, maybe right there. Can you draw the minute hand for us? Minute hand. Minute hand. Is the minute hand long or short? Okay, draw the minute hand for us. Okay, you can go. Okay, what hand is that, Pakboom? The minute hand. Is the minute hand long or short, friends? Long, okay. Okay, can you draw our hour hand? Come on. Hour hand. Friends, is our hour hand long or short? Short. Can you draw our hour hand? Hour hand. You're going to draw our hour hand, but it's going to be short. It's going to be a short one. Keep it nice and short. Okay, very nice. We've got our long minute hand. And our short, what hand is this? Hour hand, our hour hand. Good job, friends. Do we have a second hand on this clock? No. Look at our clock on the wall. Do we have a second hand on that clock? Yeah. Does that second hand move pretty fast? Yeah, we can see that moving. A lot of times we don't notice our hour hand moving because it's so slow. Sometimes we'll see our minute hand moving if we're looking. So we've got our hour hand, which is short or long? Our hour hand is short. And our minute hand, is it long or short?
Long.
It's long. Good job, friends. So in our next couple reviews, we're going to use our clock and have some different friends come up and draw different times for us. So we'll build our clock again. But for now, we're going to say thanks so much for joining us on our math lesson today. And everyone say goodbye.
Goodbye.